Statement of the government of Pakistan that came last night also, that there will be decisive and assured actions. I will not go into the details, but rest assured, the people of Pakistan, with its full resolve, will defend the territorial integrity and sovereignty of Pakistan at all cost.
I'll just add.
Pakistan Army and Pakistan Armed Forces and law enforcement, we are a battle-hardened army. So, it may be a ploy, it may be a tactic, it may be a desire, a strategy for them to engage militarily on the eastern front so as to create space along the western border. But Pakistan Armed Forces, its law enforcement, intelligence, security agencies are fully capable of taking all these threats simultaneously with full force and effectivity. And its manifestation you just have seen in the last few days. As I told you that we have credible intelligence and that all the proxies of terror have been activated. But the security of the people is being done. The terrorists are being hunted and being taken down. So we are vigilant, we are watching everywhere. And I said earlier that we are watching their moves and what they are doing and their plans in all domains. So whether they are in the domain of counter-terrorism, non-kinetic, information operations, other domains, air, ground, sea, everywhere, and appropriate countermeasures are being taken, are in place, and there will be defeating and decisive responses. आपने एक exercise का refer किया. This is just one part that was shared with you. Rest assured कि आपकी चाहे फौज है, चाहे फ़ज़ाइया है, चाहे नेवी है, चाहे बाकी तमाम दिफा से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाले इदारे हैं, वो हमा वक्त हर वक्त अपनी तैयारी में मसरूफ़ है. So we are everywhere, all the time. We are ready and we are prepared to take on all sort of challenges. Military confrontation का रास्ता अगर उन्होंने चुनना है तो ये उनकी चॉइस है. आगे ये किधर जाता है ये फिर हमारी चॉइस है.